Alright, here's that 2021 Pinnacle, the FLGS. It's the front living room model with the large bathroom in the back. A lot of features on this one. It's going to take me a little bit to cover it all. We can definitely go through it in some detail. See 6-point leveling, Sanacon turbo system. You have the reel, the electric reel for your 50 amp connection. You can just see this is a really nice unit. More ride equipment on there for your towing. It gives you the nice pin box. You got your side cameras as well as your rear view camera on this one. It is the Pinnacle by Jayco again. You can see we've equipped it with the larger bottles for the propane generator to run off of if you choose to get one. Let's go ahead and show you the other two bottles on this side. Sorry for all the background noise. Like I said, this will be a really quick video for you. Let's run in there and take a look at this side real quick here. Pass through storage. You have a TV mounted out here on a sliding bracket. Central vac location here. And deep inside here, you have the water bottle. It runs up to your kitchen. It pumps in for fresh drinking water. You have two electric awnings, both equipped with LED lights. The MoreRide zero gravity version of their step above step system. Pass-through storage on the back. Outdoor kitchen. I know it's set up for the griddle. I'm going to see if it comes with it. I have to double check on this one. It might come with a voucher to get it. Well, let's head inside, shall we? Again, large step above steps. Zero gravity feature with the large grab handle. Let's get in and away from that freeway noise. So you walk in immediately, you come into your apron sink, your farm style sink. Notice things, drawers all separated here. Trash can drawers. Lots of cabinets cabinet under the sink. Huge 18 cubic foot gas electric fridge. Huge stove, 4-burner stove top. Big enough, they say, cook a full-size turkey in there, say at least. Maybe, and then some cookies as well, first-size turkey. And you have the convection oven, full-size equipment as well. Convection microwave combo. You do get 2 extra seats that are underneath the master bed at the moment. For this table, there are cabinets underneath the dining table as well for extra storage. And you have your front living room up here. TV's on an electric button there. Sofa bed, theater seats, front windshield, cabinets on either side of that, another sofa bed, fireplace, again with that elevating televator there, television, televator. Day-night blinds throughout. They're the MCD style, so you can have daytime privacy as well as nighttime blackout. Really nice features in here. Sorry I'm going so quick for you. I didn't want to take too long to send this video. You have the barn style door on that half bath downstairs. Cabinet under the bath. Medicine cabinet under the sink. Medicine cabinet above the sink. Porcelain toilets, of course. And then a lot of cabinet space in this bedroom. King size bed. Really nice mattress on that slide out. You have a little bench seat over here next to your window. Television area. Wardrobes on either side. Sales guy hanging out in the mirror. And again, then you have the barn style doors. Really nice look to this feature. Very functional for that back bathroom. I call it an ensuite actually, because it really is. Porcelain toilet. You have 2 lavy sinks, two separate mirror medicine cabinets. Of course, you have your big shower with the seat inside, teak seat. It moves up out of the way. If you wanted to, you could do a washer and dryer inside the large cabinet here in the bathroom. Smart place to put it. And throughout this RV, you're running whisper quiet air conditioning, 15,000 BTU. There's two of those 15,000 BTU ACs. Any other questions, please let me know.